I do want you to know that Constable Sandeep Chakrabarti, by any standards, has proven to be a remarkable Consul General of India in New York.
Yes.
He has shown, at least to me, several qualities. One is, whatever he says, he does. This is remarkable. Number two, he has tremendous feelings. He has a human touch. He just connects with everybody. But best of all, he has been at the forefront of leading the charge on behalf of India on the Kashmir front. We are part of his group. We are part of his Army, Air Force, Naval Command. And I'd like you to just say a few words, Consul General. I know you lead a very busy life, but thank you for coming. And why don't you give us a few words about what you are seeing on Kashmir in America so that we can all get educated.
Namaskar, thank you. Anupam ji, thank you. Abudar. Rakesh ji, Sushma ji, thank you for inviting me. मैं सुन रहा था काफी देर से whatever was being discussed. एक तो मैं कुछ अपनी पर्सनल एक बात रखना चाहूँगा, उसके बाद मैं सरकारी बात रखूँगा. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं पर्सनली मानता हूँ कि 1989 में जो हुआ, it was a big failure of the Indian state. Yes. We should not have allowed that to happen. And India in 89 was a very weak country. We had just come out of the terrorism and proxy war in Punjab. We had come out of Mrs. Gandhi's assassination, and we all know what happened in Punjab. And then our enemy hit us in Kashmir. Our state should have done what we did in 1947-48. We did not do that, and we let it deteriorate. And till today, or till August 5th, more or less that same narrative was playing. अभी मैं न्यू जर्सी से आ रहा हूँ, तो वहाँ पे कश्मीर पे ही बात हो रही थी. बीजेपी नेशनल स्पोक्स पर्सन संबित पात्रा जी थे, तो उन्होंने एक बात मुझे कही. अभी मैं मट्टू साहब को कह रहा था कि अभी जो हमारी लीडरशिप है, उनकी सोच वहाँ से शुरू होती है जहाँ हम लोगों की सोच खत्म हो जाती है. So I think we should keep this in mind. People were talking about Kashmiri culture, and ma'am was saying you didn't feel like going there, you feel like an alien there. I think what has happened now, bringing Kashmir under the direct, अभी मैं सरकारी उसमें बोल रहा हूँ, bringing Kashmir under the direct rule of the central government, I think it has not been done. हम ये सोच रहे होंगे कि ये करने की क्या जरूरत थी. 370 could have been revoked and Kashmir could have, Jammu and Kashmir could have remained a state. I think we have to go beneath the reasoning and understand why it was done. And I think, somebody spoke about the Jewish issue and the Israel issue. They kept their culture alive for 2000 years outside their land, and they went back. I think we all have to keep the Kashmiri culture alive. The Kashmiri culture is the Indian culture, it is the Hindu culture. I feel as much, Kashmiri as anybody else. किसी ने अभी कहा कि सुनंदा ने कहा कि कश्मीर इज इंडिया. none of us can imagine India without Kashmir. And अनुपम जी कह रहे थे कि हम लोग इंडिया में सोचते हैं सब के बारे में, सब धर्म, सब मंदिर में जाते हैं, लेकिन unfortunately not everybody thinks that way. I think we made the strategic blunder that we thought that everybody is thinking like us. Everybody is not thinking like us. We should start thinking like others, and I think then only we will be able to beat them in their game. I think we have to do that, and I think that thinking is now coming. We have never used our strength as the majority community. We have never used the strength of our Hindu culture, of our ancient civilization in diplomacy. हमने कभी यूज ही नहीं करा. आज हम यूज जब कर रहे हैं तो लोगों को दिक्कत हो रही है. हमारे अगेंस्ट रेजोल्यूशन हुआ जा रहा है, ह्यूमन राइट्स काउंसिल में खींचा जा रहा है, यूएस कांग्रेस में खींचा जा रहा है, डेलीगेशन जाए. अरे भाई दूसरी जगह जाइए ना भाई. आप क्यों आप सीरिया में जाइए, इराक में जाइए, अफगानिस्तान में जाइए, वहां तो आप कोडल लेने की बात नहीं करते. अब हमारे यहाँ क्यों आना चाहते हैं? उनको नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है you know, we are now asserting ourselves, and I believe that in my lifetime we will have our land back. Our people have to go back because not everybody can live in the United States. हमारे कश्मीरी भाई लोग रेफ्यूजी कैंप्स में रह रहे हैं, जम्मू में रह रहे हैं, दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं, सड़क पर रह रहे हैं. उनको तो अपने घर वापस जाना है. And you will not go because of fear of life, but I think that fear will go away. Give us some time. I think the government has done what it has done. इतना बड़ा इंटरनेशनल रिस्क कभी सरकार नहीं लेती, खाली वो अमेंडमेंट करने के लिए. ये आपको थोड़ा आगे सोचना चाहिए. इतनी बड़ी चीज, you know, today we ran the risk of international opprobrium. You know, दुनिया एक साथ हो सकती थी. International diplomatic struggle था. We have successfully, you know, stalled it. And you give some time, you will see what is going to happen. I believe the security conditions in Jammu and Kashmir will improve. It will allow the refugees to go back. And in your lifetime, you will be able to go back. And you will be able to visit your villages. You will be able to go back to your home. And you will find security. Because we already have a model in the world. I don't know why we don't follow it. It has happened in the Middle East. You have to look at if the Israeli people can do it, we can also do it.
Yes.
I think we should just follow from there and push our leadership. We have to push our leadership to do that because otherwise तो फिर फायदा क्या होगा? जैसे चल रहा था वैसे ही चलता. So I think we have to just give us some time. We will do it, and I think that is the determination of this leadership. Because I think this has, you know, when Prime Minister was in Howdy Modi, he got the biggest applause when he mentioned 373, and not everybody in that hall was Kashmiri. We just have to, you have to retain it in the way you have it, you know, you have to meet, have your festivals, speak your language, sing your songs, you can't let it die, and I think we will get it back. I think that's very clear. What has happened on 5th August will have long-term repercussions for the Kashmiri people. That's all I think.